Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany and this is Brittany's Kitchen. Today I want to just hop on real quick to show you how to make a quick easy pizza pocket at home. We're getting ready to go pick blueberries, so we're going to do a quick lunch. My son is sassing me because he's hungry. So we're going to get started. You only need a few things. I have pizza crust in a roll. Open that. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees. Have that ready for when you're done assembling these. You're going to unroll your dough onto a greased cookie sheet. Kind of spread it out a little bit. Try and make it like the size of the cookie sheet. I wanted to make this video for you guys yesterday. Got caught up in a few things, didn't get to do that. So today is the day. Take a pizza cutter and you're going to slice these into, I don't know, you could do about probably 10 little, so make like 4 slits down. One down the middle. Okay, so now you're going to have rectangles to work with. Okay, and then you're going to take cheese sticks. I only had 6 on hand, so I had like an abundance of different mozzarella cheeses from my fridge. But I'm going to work with what I have. I'm going to open these up. Okay, first I'm just going to do the pepperoni. Cheese is going to take me a little while to open. You're going to line in the center of your dough. You're going to put I don't know, 3-4 pepperonis down the center, whatever you can fit. Told by my husband to make sure I saved him some too. If you like pizza, you'll like this. If you like pizza pockets, hot pockets, kind of along the same lines, just made at home instead of bought in the frozen section. Now you're going to take the cheese sticks that you have, you're going to lay them right on top of the pepperonis. And now, all you're going to do is you're going to grab the sides, kind of like pinch it around the cheese. And then at the ends, you don't want your cheese to ooze out the side end, so you're going to pinch that close, kind of tuck it underneath. You're going to have cute little finger-like dough. You're going to go ahead and do that with all the other ones. Now I have marinara sauce here. That's just going to be for dipping at the end. I don't want to put it in because then it will cause the dough to take longer to bake. It takes about 10 minutes to bake at 450. So I need you guys' help. I need to try and grow my channel. I need to get it to at least 100 followers or subscribers. So if you do enjoy these videos, I am new to this, so I know that my first few videos I'm probably a little nervous, but I'm warming up to the whole situation. I'm enjoying it. I'm having fun doing these, making stuff, show you guys how to bake or make whatever. If you guys have any recipes that you're interested in seeing me make as well, I'm open to that too. Okay, these are gonna kind of, the shape of this is not working. If you don't have cheese sticks, you can use just shredded mozzarella too, I guess. I mean, it doesn't really matter. Just need some kind of cheese in there. So it's more of a cheesy pepperoni pizza stick instead of calling it a pocket, because it's not really a pocket. It's more like a finger, like a cheesy breadstick finger. Let's call it that. Makes a little more sense. Okay, so in this bowl right here I have melted butter with minced garlic. You are more than welcome to just do butter if you want just the golden brown top. I figure we like garlic, so add that to the butter. You're just going to brush that on top of the fingers when you're done forming them all. There. Okay, so all my fingers are formed. I'm going to take my, you can also put garlic powder if you'd like. You're just going to take that, brush the tops of all the fingers. You'll make the tops golden brown, give it a little extra flavor. Win-win. Now they're ready to go in the oven. They're all assembled. You're going to stick that in the oven 450 for about 10 minutes. Keep an eye on it. I mean, you don't want to burn them. And every oven is different. I will see you in about 10 minutes. Oh, before I go. In the meantime, you can take your marinara sauce. I have just regular pizza sauce. I figured that would be good to dip into. Warm that up in the meantime, and then everything will be ready all at the same time. We'll see you in 10. Okay, so we're about ready to pull them out. Right now I hear them sizzling, so I know some of them, the cheese came out, the ones on the end that I was having trouble with. But they smell delicious, so let's check them out. Also the butter that dripped down. A Look at those. They look so good. I'm going to cut into it to show you what it looks like on the inside. That's what it looks like. Look at that. Cheese and the pepperoni. So if you like this recipe and the simplicity of this, I mean, who doesn't like a quick lunch? Something different to make than always making the same old thing. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Help me get to 100 subscribers. That's my goal right now, is 100 subscribers. Thanks for watching.